do I have? What do I have? I have a monkey! What do we say when we see a monkey? One little monkey jumping on the bed. It fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And the magic bag has something else. What is it? What is it? What is it?